Oh, by the way, uh, singit ko muna. Shout out to all my channel members, to the Love Lines Galaxy of Super Love Stars. Sa aking mga channel members, maraming salamat. If you want to join the channel, just hit that join button. Yan. Meron ako mga customized emojis na ako lang gumawa para sa aking mga channel members para magamit. And also, check on the perks. At maraming salamat din sa aking mga super senders. Super chat, super sticker senders, maraming salamat. At sa mga subscribers, at viewers, and attendees sa aking mga live stream, thank you so much for the support. Okay, happy birthday. Naka-green ako, hindi ako doon sa birthday ni Tatay Digong. Happy birthday sa kanya. I remember, kaya gusto ko siya because he has the father figure who is always thinking of his family. Ayaw niya mapahamak ang kanyang pamilya. For a safer home, ginawa niya yung lahat. So, yun ang nakita ko sa kanya. That's my opinion, and I know you have your own opinions, but that's how. And that's why I like him. Mula nung siya ay manumpa, ay in-observe ko siya hanggang siya ay umiyak doon sa punto ng kanyang magulang. And until now, nakakaiyak talaga yung mga ginawa ng mga supporters from Davao, Visayas, Baguio, Alaska, all over the Philippines. Sa yung na-hack, the Hague in English, sabi ng isang Dutch Filipino, the hack daw ang pag-pronounce nun. So, I'm gonna use their pronunciation, di ba? Filipino ko, gagayahin ko. Ano kayang tawag namin sa... Kasi meron, according to spelling, pwede mong pronounce yun na hag eh, di ba? So, the hack, according to the rules, to the, our kababayan na naninirahan na doon sa Netherlands. Shout out sa lahat, maraming salamat. Abs family, si Papa Abs si Tenshi, naka-live kahapon. And yun, shout out sa lahat ng mga kababayan. Ipagdasal po natin ang bawat isa, yun nga, ang adoptive for Tagay Digong. And the family, of course. God bless all the families around the world. So na, yun din, family of our executive, legislative, and judiciary, linawan ng bawat isa. May God's wisdom prevail, di ba? Wisdom, justice, bahala na. And of course, let's have hope, have faith, because God loves us. I'll see you soon. God bless everyone. Mama. This is Love Lines from Caloocan City, Philippines. Saying, your God, don't forget. Thank you so much, and don't forget that God loves you and you're God's beautiful creation.